Hey my foodies, a lot of people have been waiting for this curry cowfoot recipe, so let me show you how I made it. This is so delicious, you need to try. So I'm starting off with some freshly cut cowfoot that I got from the market. I use one cowfoot and you can cut it small, medium or large. I did cut it in medium and I went ahead and washed that with some lemon and some vinegar. I added some oil and then I'm just going to add my seasoning. I added onion powder, turmeric powder, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, salt. All the seasoning that I use and the measurements will be listed in the description. I also added some green onion, some garlic, thyme, pimento seed, scotch bonnet pepper. And you're going to ensure that you season this well. You want to ensure your cowfoot is well seasoned because when it's seasoned properly, it holds the flavor in. I'm going to heat my pot and use some oil. You can use olive oil or any oil you wish. I'm just using the regular canola oil. I'm then going to add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. You can use curry if you wish. And you're just going to let that burn for about 1 minute. Reason why I burn my curry is because it gives it a better color. I'm then going to add my seasoned cowfoot. I'm going to give that a stir. You don't want it to burn. And after, I'm just going to add just a little tip of water, not a lot because you want it to build its own juice, but I just want to activate the steam. And then I'm just going to cover that up and let it steam for about 5 to 6 minutes. I did go ahead and remove it from this pot and added it to my pressure cooker. I did pressure it for 1 hour because cowfoot takes a long time to cook. So I did pressure it for 1 hour. After I add some more seasoning, onions, carrot, green onions, thyme, and scotch bonnet pepper. I went ahead and put some more onion powder, some more all-purpose seasoning, some more salt. It's all based up on your taste. You're going to taste and see if you want to add or take away anything. After adding the seasoning, I let that cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I added my broad beans. I love to use Grace broad beans, but you can use any broad bean you want. I prefer to use the one that's pre-cooked and already in the tin. So yeah, once I put the broad beans in the pot, I let that cook for another 5 minutes until the gravy is thickened. And there you go. Curry cowfoot. This recipe is so good. I know y'all are used to the brown stew cowfoot, but if you have never tried the curry cowfoot, go ahead and try it. I promise you won't regret trying this. Once again, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more of my videos and my recipes. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at VenTheFoodaholic. Thank you for watching. Bye.